Hi guys, today we're doing a bunch of videos because I don't know how my voice is gonna be later on, so hopefully, yeah. We have Allure Beauty Box, and this one is for the month of May 2018, and here we're gonna go and open it. I usually like my Allure. This one is a $15 a month beauty bag. Comes with a plastic. And we have it like this. We open it. It has a little booklet. And I've been doing this that I actually read about the products and I also take them out, and so it's easier. The first thing I'm gonna see from the box is the little under eye. Whoa, 3 sets. I'm liking this box too. So we have 3 of the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These blinked out patches were made for mask selfies. I love that you can moisturize and soothe your under eyes and look good while doing it. The good fall makes me feel extra glamorous, says Gian Forbes, an Allure Digital editor. The nice and calming beauty there got aloe and skin cooling effects. The $25 for 6 pairs, so for 3 pairs is half the price, so it's $12.50 more or less. So you already almost got the full value of the box, so keep that in mind. Let's move into the next one. The next one is the Kendra Dry Oil Control Spray. This one is a hairspray, which I'm not really into hair things, but you never know. New Thames Freeze. Dry oil contains spray, medium hold. Just because it says that is control spray and Thames Freeze, I'm kind of like captured by it, but I never believe those things anymore. This hairspray does what it promises, gives medium hold, but the real reason I love it is for all of its hair perfect perks. It smoothes my flyaways and frizz without flattening out my texture. I use it days when I want my hair dried waves look less fuzzy, so I get polished hair in a fraction of the time it takes. But that's not even my favorite part. It gives my hair a crazy amount of shine because of its loaded natural oils. That's nice. So the full size would be $19 and you can buy it at Ulta.com. The next thing is the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizing. It looks big, but it's really little. This one is 9.6 grams and is for sensitive skin. This is a kind of moisturizer that make your skin look different right after application. It's peachy tint and a hint of shimmer brightening you instantly. I like to tap it on the high ends of my face, like cheekbones and temples, above the tail of my brow, across the center of my chin, and down the bridge of the nose. And basically it gives you like a glow. Let's see. And it smells good. Yeah, it is rosy, but it doesn't stay rosy on your skin, so you know. Sorry guys, this is not fucking good for some reason there. The next product we have is Santropist Instant Tan Finish Gloss. It's pretty big. I like it, and it has like some shimmeries. Can you see? This one is like has 30 milliliters. Finish gloss, finish brilliant. So this body bronzer has a soft tint and shimmer, so you can't go overboard. I like putting it on top of my shoulders and collarbones for a little soothing something when I'm getting tinted dressed up. And because it's a temporary wash off bronzer, you can experiment without winding up with a streaky concealer. So nice, it's like a wash off. So for the full size, it's $25, which is not bad. Let's see, the next one is Sun Tropics Self Tan Purity Bronzer Water Mousse. What is this? Let's see this. Or maybe I got one or the other. Oh, okay. So you will get one or the other, I guess. So I got that one. I got this one. But there was a chance for you to get the Self Tanner Looks Like Water, liquidy, toner, clear, but in your hands become an easy to spread mousse. It's not bad. We have this, let's see, not that one. We have this one, Clean Melting Lip Powder. A lip powder that melts in your mouth. It's kind of crazy. And it's a powder. Who knows? It looks really big. If you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips. And then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. They deliver color that are more pigmented and buildable and stained. But just as natural looking. The summery matte raspberry shade for Glee goes on easy with a wand. You may think it's messy, it's surprisingly not. But you wouldn't be alone in your fears. So $19.99 for that. Probably not this, but let's try it on my hand. Oh, look at that. It's powder, but when you put it in your hand, it's so, that's awesome. I have to try these things. I'm curious to see how they're gonna look. And the last thing, I guess it's like a extra. It says hairspray, Elette Stalin. So this is in the secret of celebrity hairstylist. So it holds strong, but it brushes out effortlessly. You can style and restyle and set on anywhere. So that was a bonus. I love this box. It was like way more than $15 worth. So yeah, I don't know. This month the $15 boxes have surprised me. It's gonna be hard to pick one at the end. And I hope you like this video and give me any response on the bottom of the video and let me know which one you like. And I'm sorry again for my voice. I have no control over this. I hope you guys are great and have a good night.